Hello and welcome to the quick tutorial for Seattle's Commute Trip Reduction Employer Program Report requirement. Commute Seattle and the Seattle Department of Transportation work together to streamline the program report process this year. In 2022, employee transportation coordinators will complete the program report requirement via DocuSign. My name is Olivia and I'm excited to tell you more over this quick tutorial, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to our team at CTR@commuteseattle.com. Before we get started, you might need a refresher on what the Employer Program Report is. The Commute Trip Reduction Program Report is a standard report that describes the actions a CTR-affected company has taken during the preceding year and the actions it will take in the coming year to promote climate-friendly commute modes. The report helps contextualize employee commuter habits and regional commuter benefit trends. In short, the program report is a workplace facilities, benefits, and amenities report. Remember, if you complete the Commute Trip Reduction Program Report, you have access to the Seattle Commute Trip Reduction Tableau dashboard showing how your commute program compares to your neighbors and industry competitors. Contact Commute Seattle to find out more. So let's get started with the DocuSign program report. First, you're going to want to open the DocuSign document or email that was sent to you by Commute Seattle. If you did not receive the email with the link and instructions, email Commute Seattle at CTR@commuteseattle.com, and we will send you the DocuSign link with instructions as soon as possible. Click Review Document, and then you will open up the DocuSign document to begin filling out the report. Once you click inside of the DocuSign Program Report document, read the message and check the box agreeing to electronic records and signatures. Then, click the Continue button to start completing the Program Report document. On the right-hand side, you can also take other actions like finish later or assigning to someone else. When you're ready, click Next and it will take you into the first page of the program report. When you're ready, begin by selecting your company name and entering your contact information for the employee transportation coordinator, your alternate contacts, and the highest ranking official at your worksite. Use the Next button to keep going. Company information section also includes the employee headcount at the worksite, any relocation plans, or consolidation plans. After company information, you will move on to questions regarding Category A of the Seattle Municipal Code, which involves employee communications and amenities. Category A, you'll answer several questions surrounding how your workplace communicates transportation information to employees and specific details about what amenities are offered to employees. Note, for many questions, you may select multiple answers from a list of choices, like seen here. These questions cover how information is communicated, distributed, and displayed, how transportation program information is communicated to new hires, if you have any corporate accounts available, what are your flex work and remote work options, do you have any employer shuttles or guaranteed ride home, or any carpool or vanpool matching. Also, these questions include transportation amenities like showers, lockers, if you have a bike cage or secure bike parking, or if you offer bicycle maintenance or outlets for electric bicycle charging. Following employee communication and amenities is Category B, which covers subsidies and modal support. The Seattle Municipal Code emphasizes the importance of investing in subsidies and other support to encourage non-drive-alone commutes. Category B seeks information on how your workplace's programs are working to make non-drive-alone commutes more preferable options for your employees. For this category, you will need information on subsidies offered to employees like their ORCA cards, any vanpool or van share subsidies, or subsidies for carpool. Questions will ask you about your King County Metro ORCA cards, transportation subsidies, and pre-tax commuter benefits. Following Category B is Category C, which revolves around parking management. Category C asks specific questions about your parking programs with the intention to help you manage parking in a sustainable way. Questions revolve around if employees who drive alone receive parking benefits like free or subsidized parking, how many spaces are available at your worksite, at what rate are people charged for parking. Next, the program report collects additional administration information like how much you're investing in the commute program, examples of how leadership support the commute program, and anything additional you would like to provide. Next up is the optional program summary. We collect the best examples for best practices, anonymized at your request, of course, to share with others and to use for our events in the future. This is the opportunity for you to submit your best and most comprehensive communications piece, previously known as the program summary. Show us how you display your most recent community data, summarize your key achievements, and communicate the program to others. Examples could include a PDF copy of a flyer that you use, a screenshot of an intranet site, or a PDF of an example email that you send out to your coworkers. You can find an example email template online at commuteseattle.com, and when you go to upload their program template here, the program summary template, there are a number of different options for you. You can upload documents, images, and different spreadsheets. Finally, to wrap it all up, you have the certification. Please sign the document when you are finished. You may choose to have someone else review the document before signing, and you can do that in the top right corner with other actions. After you finish and submit the program report via DocuSign, you will receive an email with the completed program report as an attachment and the option to view the report online and download from there. Commute Seattle will save the report to our records for the City of Seattle, and we highly recommend that you save the report to your records as well. After we receive all of the program report data from all of the CTR-affected worksites, Commute Seattle will update the Commute Trip Reduction Tableau dashboard with new information to see how your company's commuter benefits stack up compared to your neighbors and industry competitors. If you still have questions, Commute Seattle is here to help with free support. Email us at ctr@commuteseattle.com to schedule a consultation. Thank you for your commitment to climate-friendly travel options and your dedication to the Seattle Commute Trip Reduction program. We could not do this work without you.